Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Hari ini jadwal icip-icip internasional. Nah, kalau kemarin saya punya kacang kedelai untuk buat tempe, dan hari ini akan saya olah kacang kedelai itu menjadi kembang tahu. Orang-orang belum pernah makan kembang tahu di sini, bahkan tahu juga jarang-jarang ya mereka mencoba tahu. Nah, hari ini saya akan membuat kembang tahu dengan kuah air gula jahe itu. Enak banget, saya suka itu zaman-zaman saya masih kecilnya itu ya, seger banget. Nah, di depan saya ini sudah ada pemirsa. Ini kembang tahunya bener-bener saya buat dari kacang kedelai asli. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Allah, ini lembut banget, enak banget. Kalau dulu makan ini saya masih kecil ya, ini udah lama banget saya nggak makan ini pertama kali saya bikin, dan seger banget pemirsa. Bagaimana cara membuat kembang tahu yang simple ini dan asli, ini bukan dari susu kedelai atau apa ya, ini langsung dari kedelainya. Silahkan saja tonton video saya. Ini kira-kira para iciper suka atau enggak ya, saya juga nggak tahu karena ini bentuknya aneh dan teksturnya juga agak lembut seperti ini. Jarang-jarang orang makan seperti ini. Jadi kita lihat saja nanti, tapi ini sehat sekali. Kacang kedelai direndam selama 4-6 jam, kemudian dicuci bersih dan di blender, bebas mau pakai blender apa saja, dan kemudian diletakkan di serbet yang bersih dan diperas karena kita ingin mengambil air soyabin ini ya. Kemudian dimasak dan tambahkan sedikit gula biar ada rasanya dan juga garam untuk membalankan rasa. Kemudian saya pakai gel vegetarian ataupun agar-agar sedikit saja untuk membengkunya nanti sampai mendidih. Kemudian dituang ke dalam wadah untuk membentukkan kembang tahu ini. Buang buih yang ada di permukaan kembang tahu, kemudian diamkan sampai benar-benar membeku. Masak gula aren atau brown sugar dan jahe. Saya hanya cukup menggunakan jahe tanpa daun pandan biar benar-benar rasa jahe. Kembang tahu sudah membeku dan siap untuk dihidangkan. Ini rasanya rasa jahe sekali. Saya mau bikin keripik tempe karena udah banyak banget yang nanyain saya nggak bikin keripik tempe. Saya punya tempe sekarang. Keripik tempe ini sangat populer sekali ya di kalangan bule-bule di Inggris ini, dan mereka requestnya kebanyakan suka yang rasa pedas. Jadi ini semuanya rasa pedas dan memang populer sekali. Ini biasanya laris manis di kalangan penggolf. Jadi kalau saya bikin ini sudah diborong duluan dari mereka. Nah, kali ini saya sisain buat iciper untuk mencobainya.
Is this all the same?
Yes.
So that's a healthy option.
Sorry?
What did you say? That's a healthy option.
Yes, from soybean with the brown sugar and ginger.
And is this sweet as well?
Not really sweet.
How are you, Saf?
Good, cool, man.
You okay? Yeah, good, thanks, man. Nice.
Being honest, that consistency is not my sort of thing.
Okay.
But the flavour, the ginger coming through that is absolutely beautiful. I really do like that. I'm not a fan of what's that wobbly thing they do.
Yeah, it's like a tofu. Do you know tofu? That is tofu made from the soybean. Yeah.
But the flavours are lovely, really nice. So thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Honest opinion. See you soon.
Good.
Take care.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
See you both.
Pop the gap for me. Cheers.
Sure.
Yeah, sure. Try.
What is it?
That is like a tofu.
It's like a...
Tofu.
I don't think I've ever tried tofu. It didn't smell like
Ginger.
You'll just go straight.
Yeah, you go for it, but what I like these bananas.
Oh, that's nice. I never tried tofu.
Really? You never tried tofu?
No.
It's very soft, right?
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
It's healthy.
Nice and sweet and all of it.
That's
Very
right.
nice.
Oh, it's lovely.
Very nice.
Good. Oh.
Oh, I like that.
But honest opinion.
Go on, try that. I've never tried that before. That is delicious. That's really nice.
You like it?
I do, yeah. Very nice.
It's good stuff. Healthy.
Banana one for this.
Very time and something healthy.
Thank you, man.
How you doing?
Hi there, you're
How are you?
Is
You
this
come on, no, no,
No,
no,
no.
and what is it?
Wow. That is
You
delicious.
tell us what you taste it.
Taste it first.
Taste it and see what's inside.
But shall I? You sure?
Can I try this one?
Yes, please
Right
try.
there. Sorry, Cash.
No, no.
Okay. Thank you very much again. That
My
was delicious.
pleasure.
That was
Good.
really. I've never
Right, so
tried.
these ones,
I've never tried that before, and that was beautiful.
Good for the body and healthy also.
Is it like a dessert?
Yes,
Oh, delicious.
that is healthy food.
Got a bit of kick to it, ain't that it?
Oh, I know that. So,
Oh, this is spicy, man.
Yes.
Oh,
Alan,
that's got a kick to it.
what you put in
Nice,
there?
huh?
Some proper
Do you
chili.
know what is that?
yeah, I know the thing, but I don't know what you call
They
it
call
in
it
English.
Okay.
He's
Can
from
you
Iran.
translate? Come here.
Today his mum
Lovely.
cooked.
Thank you very
Nice
much
cake for
again.
me.
That was beautiful. No, honestly, that was delicious. That tofu.
Good.
Fantastic.
Good.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Not very nice. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Nice to see you again.
Okay,
Chap, thank you very much. Take care.
He loves this food. His wife, his mum
Uh-huh.
made some nice cakes
Oh.
this morning.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
They
it's-
gave me nice cake for breakfast. I had this morning.
Good, good.
So now I have to give you a plate.
Yeah.
actually.
Ginger.
Oh, that's right, yes.
But it's
Ginger.
not like a powder, it's a fresh ginger, yeah?
Yeah, fresh ginger.
Yeah.
Let me just give you
What
stuff.
lovely.
Yes.
I like
And
it.
do you know the white one?
The white one.
That is, do you know
Yo.
tofu?
Okay.
Yo.
Yeah. Soya bean, do you know soya bean?
Soya bean.
Yes,
Huh?
made from soya
Well,
bean.
I got some friend from Indonesia, they come into gym.
Oh.
And I got some friend in Indonesia.
Uh-huh.
They are studying there.
Uh-huh.
Such a beautiful country.
Oh.
Yeah,
have you been there?
No, I never been there, but I would like to go in there.
That one's spicy, man. Put some fresh chilies in there. Nothing for you.
I like it.
Oh, good.
Of course I like.
So Uni, she cooks for us every 1-2 weeks, yeah?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, gives to residents. And she's, back home, she's very famous YouTube star.
Really?
Yeah.
Just,
I'll give you the thing for YouTube.
yeah.
Tomorrow you're gonna be very famous.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah? You get
Like me,
your
like-
wife
like
gonna get very jealous.
Subscribe, turn on the bells, please.
Oh, he's good now. He's not
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Yeah. Listen, don't show your wife, she's gonna get jealous tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because all the comments,
Oh.
all the girls are gonna be commenting,
Oh,
commenting,
she
gonna get jealous.
she already has this problem.
Yeah.
Because everybody obsessing it, you know what I mean? I got a new job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good touch.
I'm going to
Congratulations.
cheers now. I'm going there.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. Everything was nice.
Oh, good,
Everything
good,
was
good.
nice.
Yes.
That one's spicy,
It's
though, you
spicy.
know.
Be
And it's
careful.
He likes
Oh, that's spicy. Oh, good.
the things he eats. Adam, you want to finish this? He loves spicy.
Okay, you two in the last year, you remember? You did
Summer
the
party.
11th, okay, of August. Make sure
Friday.
they here, Friday.
The Friday they are here. Apples not too much. You don't need to eat all.
Hi, you want to try? Yes. Yes, have to try.
Thank you very
It's a
much.
bit spicy.
Okay.
It's spicy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's delicious.
Apple just say thank you and time to go.
Thank you very
Remember?
much.
See you later.
11. Apple, Adam, 11. Yes?
That is delicious.
Okay, one
Okay,
more.
one more.
Take it, boss. Take them.
I'm surprised you're very strong spicy, boss.
I know.
He loves spicy stuff. Thank you very much. This was nice. This I will try to do for you.
Do you wanna try the another one? Is this the what is in the cup? Is it still there?
Oh yeah, yeah.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
What is that?
It says healthy food. It's
an egg.
No.
No, it looks like something being like a
Salmon.
no salmon.
What do you know tofu?
Ah yes,
Yes,
the tofu
it's
cheese.
yes made from soya bean with the
Yes.
ginger.
The last time when I already tried it.
Thank you very much.
Okay,
Banana
see you
sponges will
later.
see
Okay,
you.
bye. Bye.
Thank you for bringing some more delicious bananas down. That's the only thing I tried, which was delicious. And this one is a bit too spicy for my likings, but let's have another one before it goes. Let's get brave.
Sam is not Asian anymore, pemirsa. Sorry. Sam is
I can proper English.
Yes, Stephen
English
now.
born now. Even though I don't look English, but it's Stephen.
Stephen Sam. Okay, so thank you so much for
Thank you guys, all the best.
And yes, you're
See you
fun.
soon.
Miss you.
Inshallah. Take care.
Okay, bye. Tadi saya bawa 5 cup, tapi karena saya nggak tahu pada suka atau enggak, karena ini teksturnya agak aneh buat lidah-lidah orang bule di sini ya. Jadi jangan sampai mubazir, saya nyali bawa 5 dan 3-nya sudah dimakan, 2-nya dibawa pulang. Pemirsa mereka suka, jadi nggak bisa saya nge-reviewnya. Nah, saya masih ada juga sisa, nggak banyak juga karena saya memang bikinnya nggak banyak karena uji coba baru-baru juga. Hari ini saya mau kasih ke Dai dan Bray juga. Jadi bikin kembang tahu itu dibagi-bagi ke siapa saja. Oke, kalau gitu sekarang kita lihat reaksi Dai dan Bray, apakah mereka suka atau enggak. Try first.
Make her younger.
Have you tried some of these before?
Yes, make you younger.
I think we have actually.
No, that is different thing.
If it's going to make us younger, I think you better go and fetch a bucket full.
Do you like it?
Yes, nice.
That is from soya bean, like a tofu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, like a tofu with the ginger and brown sugar. Nice.
Taste the ginger, yes.
Yes, it's good for you.
Very good.
Nice.
Good. Enjoy.
Okay.
Kembang tahu. Oke. Kembang tahu dengan kuah jahe ini cocok banget ya. Cuaca hari ini nggak terlalu panas, masih ada dinginnya. Jadi adem makan di sini juga, jahe-jahe itu rasanya. Oke, kalau gitu segitu aja video hari ini. Sukses kembang tahunya, lidah mereka cocok. Jangan sampai ketinggalan, tonton juga episode selanjutnya. Ada banyak episode sekarang, ada icip-icip internasional, ada tradisional to internasional, itu agak-agak slay ya videonya, tapi itu selingan, lumayan iseng-iseng berhadiah dan hiburan buat pemirsa semua dan buat saya juga di dapur yang biasanya hanya masak-masak biasa. Di tradisional to internasional masaknya agak-agak slay, tapi menarik tantangan. Oke, bye.